Hi everyone, and welcome back to this tutorial series. In this video, we would be learning about how you can get input from the user. Till now, our programs have been pretty stale. I mean, they do their stuff, but there's no interaction between the program and the user. There shall be some, right? Otherwise, programs just become boring. And we don't want that. So what we would do is we would learn how you can get information from the user and process that. Sounds exciting, right? So let's get right into it. So in Python, we have a function called input, and that is how you take input from the user. And that takes the prompt as a parameter. So here you write what the user shall see. So something like enter your name or enter your age as the message. So, but that input needs to go somewhere. You need to store that input somewhere or it would be useless. So the way you do that is you just catch the input into a variable. So let's say I say age is equal to input, enter your age. So what is happening here is that I have this variable called age and I'm setting it equal to an input. So what it's doing is that it's going to catch the value which the user enters into this variable called age. So let's print you are, and we want to say you are age years old. Their age is their age. So the way you do that is that now you need to join strings. So you say plus, it's simple, you just add them. And just to be safe, I'm just going to pass it through str because you cannot add numbers with strings, otherwise it gives errors. So str and age. So str of age plus years old. So what this would do is it would combine all of it into one string, which would look like you are, then the input, years old. Let me open the terminal by pressing Ctrl tilde, and here I'll just type Python 3 and part5.py. And you see, it gives me a message asking me enter your age. Then I'll just say any random age. So I'm just entering 56, not my actual age. Enter, and it says you are 56 years old. Sounds kind of... Now I want you to do something. Create a program which accepts the user's name and it prints out the message hello, comma, and then their name. Just do it. It's simple. Just pause the video right now and give it a shot. Okay, so I'm assuming that you've all tried it now, and now I will tell you the solution. So first, I would be creating a variable called name, and inside this variable, I would be catching the user's input. So input, enter your name, then print hello plus name. So what I've done is I've catched the user input into this variable called name, then I'm printing hello and then the name in a combined string. So I'll just run the code, enter your name, John, hello John. So your program is giving a nice little personalized message to the user.